Okay, today we're going to attempt at removing some of the minor scratches in the window. What we're doing here today is what anyone can do at their house, provided it's not on a totally professional basis. Okay, we're going to get the polishing compound on the applicator, starting at the top and going a swirl motion. We're trying to fill in some of the minor imperfections in the scratches. Working in a circular motion. At this point, we're simply going to take a rag and wipe off the compound. Leaving a nice clean window. For deeper scratches that this is not as effective on, you may have to upgrade to a buffer and special chemicals that's specifically designed to remove scratches from windows for a professional repair.